Should I quit? This is a question I've asked myself throughout this photography journey. Should I quit? I'm not the best at what I do. Hell, I'm only half decent to say the truth. As I look at other photographers' work, I sit there in sheer amazement and awe. I have so much to learn and so far to go before I make it. Am I a fraud? You know, the saying is, fake it until you make it. But what if you never make it? What is making it anyways? When do you decide to stop? When do you decide to stop trying, to stop pursuing your dreams? When do you finally recognize that you won't make it? I was talking with my dad the other day and asking, when do you decide enough is enough? When do you give into the pressures of society and just stop pursuing your dream? When do you decide that you are just wasting your time? My dad just looked at me and smiled. He took a deep breath and said, "Oh, sweet Bessa, you never stop. You are never wasting your time pursuing your dream. You never stop doing what you are passionate about, and you never stop doing what you love. Why would you?" So I ask you, my beautiful friends, why would you stop? Why do we believe this false idea that we aren't good enough? You are good enough. So when should I quit? The answer is never. Not as long as you love what you are doing. You never quit. You never give up. You never stop trying. If you are loving what you do, why would you quit? So what if you aren't the best? So what if you don't make it, for whatever that might mean to you? If you have passion to create, then freaking create. If you love what you are doing, then never stop doing. Never quit, my beautiful friends. Never stop creating.